Hello everyone, welcome to Property Experts where we provide you information related to property in a sensible manner. Hence, before purchasing property worth lakhs and crores of rupees, please do watch our videos to never fall in any sort of a scam or a fraud. Well, in this video, I'm going to help you understand one key option as to how retail investors can invest their money to make regular income. I'm also going to discuss the platform through which you can invest to make this regular income happen for you. So I'll just repeat, please. Make quick important points or notes because this is a very important issue or important topic. So the first option that you have a fixed deposit now. The here issue is that the risk is very low, but returns are also very low. And the second option that you have is that you can go and do things on rent. You can go buy a property specifically given the scenario how real estate has performance popular options that you go and buy stocks, invest in mutual funds, especially in that mutual funds, and you try to make regular income out of it. Now this option, so please be very careful and cognizant of the fact how much the expense ratio for commission is very also. Be careful about that, otherwise you will lose a lot of money just in commission, not associated. And the problem doing the systematic withdrawal or the systematic withdrawal from the stock market on a daily basis or a monthly basis, what to sell, what not to sell, that becomes like a major heading. It consistently month after month, it's a big problem, and it is not a very big available market. There is a price for you. If you tried the answer really well in the comment section, you will have to know, you will get a book from my side. I'll send you this. Do watch this video very carefully. Now let me very briefly explain that what exactly now the function of both is. Very similar, understand this through an example that Kerala government selling this piece of paper which is called as bond. They will go out in the market, it will be published in the newspaper. So you would like not money for this piece of paper, and we will pay a rate of interest of 8% rate of money. You will keep that piece of paper with you for a period of 5 years. Why? Because this is the maturity period of this bond, and you will get this person as the interest or him understanding what you need to understand. Government, private organization, when they send you this piece of paper, you give them money. Why do you give them money? Because this give you a certain rate of return on that piece of it. It is what the bond, and each one of these bonds are given a certain credit rating. You understand more about the ratings when I show you the platform, but these bonds are given certain credit ratings. Organizers like this mechanics of a bond, let me know interesting part, so I'll pick the best answer. Yeah. Right now in India, if you want to invest in ones, there are two mechanisms of purchasing bond. Infrastructure bond, do you want to invest it on the entire listing of the bonds happens, and you can go and purchase that. One that because you are directly purchasing that from the Kerala government, and you are going to hold it has been specified on bond for a period of time, and the bond, and what do you think what you have to pick after that is going up? Whenever you want to sell it, and you have to go on a secondary market, who does the bond selling on the secondary market? It could be a big mutual fund houses and bunch of the other large investors. You don't need to hurry or to worry about it. So therefore there is an over the counter option where you can go and purchase these bonds. Where a lot of secondary listing also happens to a lot of options. Carrying, you don't necessarily need to understand. You simply need to understand the point that if you are a retail investor, how you can go and access and help in the and help each other. Let's say that you want to invest 2 lakh rupees, and I want you to note and the note that you need to go on this discover bond state, and you need to understand your investment purpose. Why is it? Why you're trying to invest in this point? Do you want to make free returns? Do you want to invest for the short term, or do you want a higher fixed deposit? Do you want one higher on this option? The stronger the rating would be, the best phones out there in terms of safety. Examples of 13.7% call date is when the worm gets up matured, and here the payments will happen on early basis, that you will make monthly regular income. Understand the arithmetics of the South Indian Bank in Limited. You will be making approximately 13.6% returns on this. It is very important for you to understand about the credit ratings. Recommended if you are a new investor in the market, you should not invest in bonds that have a less than 18 min. That ones do not have the risk, they risk are more risky than fixed deposits. For the returns, making it also higher, but having paid this, generally speaking, bonds are considered to be safe, at least with ratings, and the good ratings should be a type of bond. You need to understand the bond holders can be first dems or whatever the assets are being liquidity. For example, JP Morgan will happen what not right, so all that will be sold by regulators. Whatever money is coming in, that will be distributed in order to seniority. So the first dams of the first people from the liquidation exercise will be considered subordinate for payments or the subordinate compared to other bonds. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot through this video. Do watch all our videos so that you have no doubts regarding property. Thank you.
Property related help, please contact us. Thank you.